Endorsement deal. With your skin, I say thank you. You are fine. I guessed right. I guessed right. Story time. Hi guys, how you all doing today? So I have something to tell you guys. Yay! Okay, it's kind of good news, yes. Well, so earlier today, I was heading to the market to source for goods for my customer. Because tomorrow I'll be shipping some goods to Nigeria. So I just let me just buy today and add those ones to my orders going to Nigeria. So I booked my ride and I went downstairs and I was waiting for my ride. So I stood outside my apartment. One very fun, beautiful girl, I think she's Chinese, yeah. She came, they don't really know how to speak English like that. They were like, "Oh, you're beautiful, you're so beautiful." I was like, looking at her. Like, okay. I said, "Thank you. You're so beautiful. Where are you from?" I said, "Nigeria." They were like, "Okay. I like you. I like your skin. Your skin is so fine. I like you." Thank you. I'm like, okay. She started taking pictures with me, snapping pictures, doing videos. She was so happy, hugging me. I was like, okay. I just played along because she was actually very beautiful. Let me know that. Me too. I liked her because she was so pretty. Her shape, everything was so fine, and her skin too was very fine. So she was not like, are you a celebrity? Are you a celebrity? Because you are so beautiful, your skin is so clean. I said, "Thank you." Then she asked for my WeChat. She asked to scan my WeChat, so she scanned and I gave her my. Then she messaged me immediately because she doesn't really know how to speak English. So we have to communicate on WeChat so we can translate. So she chatted me. She was like, "Oh, you're so beautiful." That was what I was trying to say. I said, "I understand. You're beautiful. I like you. I like your skin." And she said she's into. She have an hospital. I think she's an esthetician. Yeah, esthetician. Yeah, sorry for the bad English. She have an hospital, so she put it on the Google map. I saw it, like, she showed me the picture. Very big hospital. And I think what they majorly do is they treat that they're into skin treatment, moisturizing, whitening, repair, framing of the skin and all that. So I said, okay. And she said she wants to book an appointment for me free of charge, that she just wants me to come and see. Then she was still asking me, "Are you a celebrity?" I said, "I don't want to fold my hand." And I said, "Yeah, I'm celebrating I'm kind of celebrating my country." But okay, because you are so pretty, your skin. I said, "Thank you. You are fine." So when she was leaving, she gave me this. This is their product. She gave me this. I've not opened it. I think I will post it in this video. So she said I should come and see them. Maybe we can strike a deal. And maybe if you're going to sign me, I think influencing. Because she said my skin was very fine. That she wants us to work together, and she also wants to be my friend. And she liked me naturally, apart from the whole my skin and the working part. That she likes me. Want us to be friends. I said, okay, there's no problem. We can be friends because I'm new in China, so I also need friends. I said, like, okay, no problem. So we were supposed to see today. So she left. I think she went to catch an appointment, sorry. So she now chatted me. She said, okay, when can I come to the hospital? like she called it an hospital to her office. Like, okay, book an appointment for me. I said, okay. I said tomorrow, let's say 3 p.m. because I'll work in the shipping company tomorrow. Maybe that's the only thing I'm doing tomorrow. Then maybe when I'm done, I will just go there. Let's say by 3 p.m. She said, okay, there's no problem. But later and I told her, okay, if I can come today, because I don't really have anything doing today, so I just be like, okay. Her skin was so fine. You see her skin. She also showed me some videos of some of her work, like what she does. She little skin, okay. Oh, I think this one is for face. I think face mask for moisturizing, and I think so. Let's open. Let me open one and see. Oh, I guessed right. I guessed right. So tomorrow, it's 6 months. Okay, I think it's like this. This is actually very refreshing. Oh, I think I like this. I think I like this. The smell, so nice. Can't even lie. How many in the pack? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's nice. That's very good. But I'll just have to remove this one now. Just to show you guys how. So, clean your face. Already dried. So you'll finish. That's it all. So let's see how it goes. Tomorrow I will go for the appointment. I think she wants to treat my skin. She wants to just do that for me for free. She wants to treat my skin for me. She wants to. So that's what she wants to do for me. That's why she books an appointment for tomorrow for me. Then, after we'll now talk about how we work together. Okay. But I think she wants me to help her advertise her products, my people, my audience, and also help. So that's an endorsement deal. So let's see how it goes. We pray it goes well. I'll be so glad and excited to work with them because everything I saw today, because she showed me some other things actually, but I don't really know what they are. And she was just trying to tell me. So tomorrow, when I go there tomorrow, I will get to see everything, what they do, and we can see. She will still have to give me some baby girl treatment. So I will come and tell you guys how it went or how it goes. So that's it. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Well, that's the story I want to tell you guys today. I think I'm hungry. I'm very, very hungry. Look at my biscuit. I'm hungry. So my schedule for tomorrow. What I wait for tomorrow, I will go to the shipping company and ship my goods, my customers' goods going to Nigeria. Then once I'm done there, this 7 p.m. 7:14 p.m. I don't really like eating at night. That's it. That was all for today. So you guys, please help me. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. It's not difficult. Just click on the subscription button. That's it. It's not be hard. You will not pay. They will not take anything from you. And if you like this video, like, comment, share. Let's grow this page, this way, channel together. I'll be so glad. Thank you. I'll see you guys in my next vlog.